Alright, so you guys know how YouTube sucks and you can get down this weird rabbit hole. I was trying to find some songs for Spotify to put in my playlist because I got reminded of a Gwen Stefani song and I was like, ooh, I like that song. And I was trying to find more like hip hop pop songs from the early 2000s. And I got into this weird rabbit hole of just most iconic songs list. And I found this one channel called Foeko, who has fully monetized videos where he just takes a bunch of different songs and puts them into one video. Doesn't add anything. Probably takes like maybe an hour to do most to make that video, and it's fully monetized. 6 mid-rolls, by the way. Super swell content. And I found this video on his channel called Try Not to DIY. And I'm thinking, that's fucking ridiculous. What does that even mean? And so then I look it up as an actual thing in YouTube, and apparently this is all over YouTube. People try not to DIY, and these two guys, Infinite and VladTeeVee, have just fully mastered the game, raking in tons of views from terrible reactions just from the thumbnail. This looks like a terrible video, but 3.2 million people thought it was probably good. So I'm coming up with my own challenge today here on youtube.com/PewDiePie, and the challenge is thus: try not to spend your entire afternoon at the store spending $100 making a stupid iPhone case that you could buy for $5. I challenge all you guys not to do it. Swear on your mums you can't do it. My challenge to you. Alright, that is it for the video. You little pieces of shit. That's the name of my fan base. Little pieces of shit. I'll see you in the next one.